Hi, welcome to Singapore Deals. Okay, today I'm going to present to you our bicycle repair kit. This is the SAHOO brand. Okay, comes in a bag. It's about slightly longer than 15 cm. Let me see. Okay, it's about 20 cm in length. Okay, and 5 cm wide. Okay, very portable. You can hang this on your bicycle frame. It's a Velcro straps attached to it. Okay. Hopefully you will never need this, but you wouldn't want to be caught without it. Okay. Now I'll show you the contents of the bicycle repair kit. Okay, we have a portable pump. Right. Good for inflating totally deflated tires. Right, and then you have a wrench here for your bolts. Okay, you got various sizes for it. Okay, you have a tire lever. Okay, two of these plastic tire levers. This is to remove your tires and pull the tubes out. Okay, also you have this multi-tool. Okay, comes with Allen keys, different sizes to it. Okay, you have a Phillips and also a flat screwdriver. Okay, and this is for the bolts here. Okay, you can remove this. Okay, one fit here. Okay, and also a wrench. Okay, for your spokes, different sizes. Here we have 10 mm, 15, 8. Okay. Also included is your bicycle tube repair kit. Okay. You have the rubber cement glue. Okay. Metal rest. Okay, and also 9 pieces of this tire patch. Okay, 3 pieces each, 3 different sizes. So enough for most applications. So there you have it. This is our SAHOO bicycle repair kit. Thank you for watching.